Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to write italic, bold, strike-through text in WhatsApp chat. Follow these easy steps to learn how to do it. First of all, go to your WhatsApp chat, and now to make a bold text, first of all, you have to add this star sign before your text and then type here your text, and after your text again type a star sign, and this is how we can make a bold text. And to make italic text, you have to add a underscore before your text and then write your text and then again add a underscore and your text will be italic. And to make a strike through text, you have to use this icon or this sign. I don't know the name of this sign, so all you have to need just add this sign and then type your text. After your text again add this sign and the text will be strike through. So this is how we can do it. If this video will help you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.